you can earn money online by writing? Yes, writing articles. So best online jobs for writing blogs, and they are high paying. And the good news is they're hiring globally. Whether you're from Africa, whether you're in America, Canada, Australia, whichever part of all the world you're in, you can get these jobs. All you need to know is to know the website, where to go about it, and of course sign up with them and start applying for these opportunities. So the first thing you need to know is you'll find writing jobs on freelance writing platform. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru allow you to create a profile and bid on writing projects. Look for clients seeking blog writers. Over time, as you build your reputation and portfolio, you can command higher rates. Remember, when you're starting out working on this platform like Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru, you are going to your pay rate is going to be around $10 per hour writing articles. But as you command as you gain more reputation and people get to know you to be doing a good job, you end up increasing your rate. So guys, go on this platform, Guru, Freelancer, Upwork.com, and get these writing jobs online. Remember, you can end up earning like $500 per week, $1,000 per week, depending on how much you are charging, plus how many clients you've worked with. The second thing you need to know is you can get writing jobs on content marketing agency. What do I mean by that? Many agencies hire freelance writers to create blog content for their clients. This agency often pay well, especially if you have expertise in a niche or industry. When they say specialty, meaning your work is specialized in a particular area. For example, maybe you're a writer concentrating on writing technology, or maybe you're a writer concentrating writing reviews. Maybe you're a writer concentrating writing about mama's product or recipe, or maybe ergonomic stuff, and name it. So yes, when you specialize in a particular area, then definitely you can end up charging a lot of money, because you are known as an expert in that particular field, and people will pay you as much as you command. Another way you can get money online as a writer is content creation platform. What do I mean by that? Platform like Medium, Partner Program, Substack, or Vocal Media offer opportunities to monetize your blog content directly through subscription, views, or tips. Remember, if you're a content creator, you write articles and all this stuff, you post on this platform like Medium, and you get paid by the partner program under Medium, under Substack, or Vocal Media. And every time someone read your product, read your articles, and of course the more views you have and the more engagement you have, the more money you end up getting paid. So you should try also going on this platform so that you end up earning money at the end of the day. How much you earn, it depends on, like I said, the more views you have, the more money you end up earning. For example, under Medium Partner Program, if you end up having like 100,000 people reading your article, of course you will end up earning like not less than maybe $250 per month, or even more than that, depending on the niche also. All right, the other way you can earn money as a writer is called guest blogging. Yes, guest blogging is also another platform where you can literally earn money as a blogger. So how does it work? So you pitch guest posts to popular blogs under your niche, and it's a great way to gain exposure and to earn money. So some blogs pay for guest contribution, while others may offer exposure and the opportunity to promote your own products or services. Remember, when you do guest blogging, especially when you write for these famous blogs worldwide, you end up when your name is featured under that blog, which is famous and which has so many millions and millions of readers under that blog. So people get to know you, people get to read your article, people you get exposed, and then people, once they get to know you and they like your article, then of course you can end up even selling your products, you can end up even promoting your services and products, and in the process also earning money at the end of the day. So another way also of earning money online as a writer is through affiliate marketing. How does it work? Affiliate marketing is you start your own blog or website and monetize it through affiliate marketing. So you write blog posts promoting products or services and earn a commission for each sale or referral generated through your affiliate links. So every time I write an article and I put affiliate links under that article, and every time someone read that article and they click those affiliate links, for example, maybe I'm promoting a product, and every time someone wants to buy that product and they're reading my article and they click that product link, that is my affiliate link. So every time someone buy through my affiliate link, I end up earning a commission. That's how affiliate marketing earns. How much can you earn? Remember, the more traffic, or should I say, the more people read your articles, the more and they click that affiliate link, the more money you end up earning. Remember, you choose affiliate links, or should I say, you promote products and services depending on the prices or how much you're gonna earn. And yes, some affiliate marketers, bloggers, the writers, earning like $1,000 just doing affiliate marketing. Remember, the bigger your audience, the more people are reading your articles and click on your affiliate links and buy that product or services, the more money you end up earning at the end of the day. All right, another way you can earn money online as a writer is called copywriting. Copywriting it's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and businesses often need skilled copywriters to create compelling content for their website, email campaigns, and marketing materials. If you have a knack for persuasive writing, this can be a lucrative field. Why? Because everybody, I mean, in this world of ours we're living today, we are selling everything that we have. Whether you're watching a movie, that's selling. Whether you're reading a book, that's selling. Whether you are reading entertainment, that's selling. So everything we are doing right now, and of course, whether it's involving a product or services, it involves selling. And yes, if you can do writing copyright, it is a multi-billion-dollar lucrative field. And yes, how much do you copywriters charge? Usually most copywriters start charging around $500, the ones who are beginners, and the ones who are experienced, they end up charging $5,000 per copy, and even more. The ones who are known, who have established a reputation and they are known worldwide, they can even charge you like $50,000 just to write a copy. And yes, and that is the market rate, to be honest. So another way you can earn money as a writer is writing stuff, so if you have expertise in technical field such as software development or engineering, you can find well-paying opportunities as a technical writer, creating blog post documentation and instructional materials. Why? Because technological sector, that's where the money is, because it's a multi-billion-dollar industry, and people usually want to hire writers who are knowledgeable in that field. And yes, the pay is very high, and they accept freelancer from around the world. So whether you're in Kenya, Nairobi, or South Africa, Nigeria, or whichever part of the world you're in, you can do technical writing and earn money. How much can you earn as a technical writer? You can end up charging like just to write 500 words, and you charge like $100. Or some people end up charging $1 to write just one word. Yes, so meaning if you are told to write a 1,000-word article, you end up charging $1,000 just to write for an article. Especially those who have already established themselves and they're known to be their specialty is in technical writing. Yes, they usually charge a lot of money and they get paid for what is worth. All right, another way you can earn money as a writer is called ebook writing. Ebook writing is also another lucrative multi-billion-dollar industry, and they are looking for you and I who are interested to do writing ebooks. So what is ebook? Ebook is self-publishing on platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and it is a lucrative venture. So you write ebooks on topics you are knowledgeable about and promote them through your blog or other marketing channels. And yes, people do self-publish these books and they get paid every year, especially if you have an audience and you come up with a book and you promote your target audience, and people, when they buy, of course you end up earning money. And of course, the goodness with Amazon is they have the Kindle Direct Publishing, where they allow people to self-publish books, and you sell and you get paid. So another way to earn money is online courses and workshops. How it works: so online courses and workshops, you create and sell online courses or workshop teaching others how to improve their writing skills, start a blog, or monetize their existing blog. That's how people, so you do something. For example, maybe I'm good at I've written a blog and I've monetized the blog and I've earned money. So the experience that I've learned through starting a blog, I can package that into a book, into an online course or a workshop, and then I tell my target audience that, okay, so far I have done this journey and this is how much I'm earning through my blog, and yes, this is the experience I have, and yes, if you want to learn from me, of course, this is the online course and this is how much I charge. And that's what people do. They are literally selling their expertise to people who are interested and who want to learn. And this is another way for you to earn money as a writer, if you're interested to teach that knowledge that you have. And by the way, everybody has a knowledge. has a skill. It's just a matter of you know how to package it and sell it online as an online course or as a workshop. All right, another way to earn money is there are so many ways for you to earn money online as a writer. Remember, I've just mentioned ways you can literally package yourself and write, and of course you get paid. So don't forget, remember, building a success remember building a successful career as a freelance writer takes time and effort. It's not an overnight quick get rich quick scheme. It takes time and effort and consistently showing up. So you focus on honing your writing skills, building a strong portfolio, and networking with potential clients to land high-paying gigs. That is the secret. You focus on honing your skill of writing, building a strong portfolio, and networking with potential clients to land high-paying gigs. That is the secret. So remember to showcase your skills and build a portfolio, even if it's a small one, to increase your chances of landing online jobs. Good luck. So yes, start today, not tomorrow. Start today. Writing is a multi-billion-dollar industry. You start small, and as you gain experience, as people get to know you, as you build up your portfolio, then you end up increasing your rate, and of course you end up earning $1,000 just by writing. And there are people who charge like $1,000 just to write 500 words, and there are people who are charging more than that because they already are known in the industry to deliver high quality work. So if you want to be one of those expertise who are known worldwide, then you need to honing your skill, build your portfolio, start small, build it, become an expert in that field, and then of course start increasing your rate and start earning money online. So good luck, guys. Remember, this is the platform. These are things which anybody from anywhere in the world can earn money and do it and become specialized and start earning money online. So guys, thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, of course drop your comments. Bye bye.